see two babes. You take one, I take one. Now we say our problem don't end.
Cletus, no be to take babe the fear me.
What did they fear you?
What did they fear me here? Make the owner of this car see us Hamatan just the blow for this car. Make the owner of this car no catch us. Because
if the owner catch me now, I tell him saying I did test. No be saying overheat, they worry the motor. I don't walk overheat, they come the test and whether they see the water.
Okay, what if you test the car with gears? The man can't see you with what you go fit tell.
Okay, those guys are my assistants. They visit me for my workshop. I say make I drop them for
Kle, you know why I like you. You get so small sense.
See,
you get small sense.
See.
No, I guess.
How you did inside the car?
Baby.
Sunday on it.
This is my 7th car.
You mean it?
Yes, I just want to run. Yes, ma'am.
So it's your car?
Yes, I bought this one.
One of his cars.
Where will they go now?
Cars. Will they go market too? No, we won't go. We just won't go parade.
Go enter motor. Enter motor, make we go.
You mean it? Hey, you don't have.
I hope you are comfortable.
We are comfortable.
No, you just be comfortable, okay?
So let's go and find somewhere and relax.
Yes.
Hey,
don't worry.
If you tell me say you your gun now.
I did not tell you that they say I get money.
We don't find no.
You just look at my body. You think say I be organizer.
You don't know, so we just disguise ourselves.
No, you can't be a organizer.
See, we are going from Eliza to Mr. Big. From there, we go to any 5-star hotel or even 7-star. We increase our of 7-star.
As for 7-star, I will be yours.
Don't worry.
Sunday, honey, I will take you to
my
USA.
body, everything.
Now you confirm.
My body, everything.
In fact,
wow, this car makes sense. It makes sense. It is.
hey.
God, what's with the Western for all these guys? No, I love you.
Yeah, I'm a mechanic. I don't know where he goes this morning.
Oh, Chichi baby, Yegina Somuso.
Cletus.
Hey, my neighbor.
Gamal. You don't come back. Cletus.
Hello.
Oh, Gamal.
Small. Abun crash after that.
Welcome.
Big men they enjoy you.
Big men they enjoy you. Honestly.
This motor be like what I you go driver. You go the hungry, you make it the good.
They ask me why they hell am. Cletus carry somebody motor go out since yesterday. Huh? 6 months, no be
testing, Ingo. I not be testing.
How many other tests what you go do in the morning? The person don't come back here. In the afternoon, he never come back. 6 o'clock, he never come back. The person later come back here, but after 7, Cletus never come back. You tell me, sir, not testing. Testing after 7.
I went testing.
I dey test Cletus. When you carry person motor go, this man dey here since yesterday they wait for you since 7 reach 6 o'clock reach 7. Where you go since?
I go test the motor, something spoil for road. Now my repair finish. In the night, instead of me to carry and come for workshop, I know say I don't close. I go back and for yard.
Cletus, na problem.
Huh?
Na problem. The man come here with the 4 policemen. Do you know the worst problem? With the Hummer. This big one where they carry
Cletus. That's he lost.
Thank you, are there. He lost.
Cletus.
Now when the man carry come here, he want.
Don't worry. You see, that my uncle welcomed me yesterday night. He don't flush me today. You don't know my uncle. You look me at the top. He said me I come meet him. Say, he don't call me this one. So I won't go see him now. As I'm talking to you, I did that my uncle's place.
Are you coming back?
Me to come back here. He won't wait again from us all. He don't see me again. Go to Sarongo. He lost.
See, neighbor, if the man come, I just want to go to yard now. Go collect one of my tools where I forget for yard. If the man come, make him carry his motor, the key there for ignition. Make him give you 5,000. If you no give you, make you no worry him. Anytime where I see him, I go collect the money.
Collect your tools, you come back and carry your.
They come.
5,000.
And they come. Baby, fine, baby, come. Why now? What is the best? I just can look for you. This come, baby. Sit down first. Where you did since where they look for you, they search for you. I don't look for you everywhere. Where you went to?
I beg, no tell me that can't thing. He come my house, come find me, no see me. By the way, where the club when you say you buy for me? Go.
Better baby, now the cloth now in the vest you.
Why no go vest you?
Okay, calm down. I beg, calm down. Make you smile small now. For your smile. Now the cloth. Don't worry, I go buy the cloth for you. Listen, I go even buy the one where go make your waist to make you yo. Like you have a minute. So that when you pass, hey, I go look for you. Even other people go to look at you when you pass. Anybody where see him, his service go away. It
means say you go buy this cloth for me.
No, I don't buy them already. No, ask me the time where I go bring them for you.
I want them today.
This evening.
Today.
I go bring them this evening. You know, say I love you. See, if you say you enter inside my mind and search, just channel my mind. See how I love you. In fact, even don't make me sleepless night. In the night, I never sleep. When I sleep, I can't see a bear before me, standing before me. When I get up, I grip you. If I grip you, I never see you again. I can't see, hey, God. Why like this?
He said me, a bear, make you really sleep.
When I sleep, I can't see a bear stand before me. When I get up, I grip you. If I grip you, I never see you again. I can't see, hey, God. Why like this? See, when he bring this your color, bring my own nagapadaya. You don't remove some bars on me. Hey, that place where they touch na the main battery. Na the main as you touch me like this, bam, all my body don't change.
But get what I want to tell you. See, you go try to eat. They try to eat so that you go look good.
Now you be my food now. Just they belly food me.
But
food na food.
I want make you eat that one. Eat food, eat well, so that when I see you, this your face gonna spark me.
A berry don't kill me. That place where they touch na the main battery.
If you collect my clothes, bring it back, oh. Bring my clothes, oh.
Okay. You can't believe what am I do I see today?
What is it?
You know this your chocolate way they fight for? Wait, them say they don't tip am. You know what to be this going to be listen? Ibere. Jesus. I just see her with chocolate for body.
Which Ebere?
Ibere what dey this village now? Wait. No be say she wear am. If you see the cash shakara with this village, they move my clothes.
Amara, wait. Are you sure what to say?
I'm sure.
Ebere stole my clothes I bought with my money. Bam! Amara, you are sure? Yes. Amara, you are sure?
Yes.
Wait for me.
Trust me.
Amara, you are sure? Ebere stole my clothes.
I'm sure.
Ebere, my clothes.
Yes.
Ebere, my... Are you sure? I don't want disgrace. Are you sure? I'm sure. Ebere, come out. Hey, what happened? I shut my name like that. What happened?
I told you.
This thing is my clothes. Now who gave you my clothes? Your clothes?
Yes.
Clothes when my boyfriend go market go buy for me. My boyfriend clothes go market go buy them for me. Now they come claim say na your clothes. Wait. This thing is my clothes. Now who gave you my clothes? Oh, remove my clothes from me. They had to remove my clothes from me. Because they had to remove my clothes. Remove my clothes. Remove my clothes from me. Now see me see wahala. Give it to her. I'll come to go take my own. Bye-bye. Safe journey.
How are you? I just dey look for you. I dey look for you. God don't do more than I.
Why you decide to disgrace me like this? Now see what you don't cause. I tell you say I don't want anything. No go stain my name for this village. Now see what you don't cause. Anywhere I go, people talk about me. They call me names. They call me thief because of you, Cletus. Oh my God, I don't die.
That thing happened to me. Listen, that thing happened to me. Like the work of devil. Me, I don't know the time where I do it. See, in order to please you, I want to make you happy. That is why I go tap am. I don't think I go. I just go tap am small. Say, make I give you this one. Yeah? I want to make you the happiest.
What do you call yourself? Cletus or what? It not go better for you for this thing where you don't come. Whoop your love, me your love. Whoop your love, Cletus. Me your love. You come your love. Whoop your love, Cletus. Whoop your love. Whoop your love. Don't follow me, oh. Don't follow me. Don't follow me.
Now the thing where you carry for back, now the people.
Cletus, I said don't follow me.
You slap me from this side. Okay, slap me here. Okay, slap me from the other side.
Love a boy,
Then slap me again. You don't slap me too. You don't slap me too. Make you slap me too.
love we make me wa Chichi baby, anye chi baby buamo, anye love buamo, anye love buamo, anye love buono, anye love me wa, anye.
Hola, Vincent.
I know so now here I go find one. Okay. Chill. I want to see you 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Yeah. All this one are your own. I will see you again. Everything they continuous.
Mi fengeme Biko kiwe funanya Chichi baby Kwamo Kame beno Love buomo aye Love buomo aye Love buomo aye Love meme wa
aye. Every time Vincent will leave my shop and come out. I don't know where this man has been going. Anyway, let him come back. Listen, where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? I have noticed that you always leave this shop. You two they come out from this shop every time by this hour. Where you they go, Seth? Where?
Madam, I'm sorry, but from my house, you got some people where they need my service. The service is an urgent service, and the business.
So now, because of that, might make you leave the shop, leave my customers come out. So you know no saying that the money where they get from this shop now they take pay you.
Yes, sir, but this is the money where I get from.
This one. Oh yeah. Okay. Vincent! 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 Yes. Where did you keep my money?
Madam, which money?
You did ask me which money. Oh, no, shit! Thief! You stole my money. Which kind of person you be, Seth? The other time I sent you to go and repair my pot. Till today, I no see pot. The other time, I told you to boil rice. You allowed the rice to get burnt. All the things we did for this shop, my plates, you don't finish them, you don't break them finish. Wetin I do you? Wetin I do you? Vincent, it is over.
Madam, I beg.
You no go fit work for me again.
Madam,
leave my shop.
where you want me to go?
I don't. You don't have me where
go.
You no get relation.
Madam, I beg.
You no get mama, no papa.
Leave this work.
I beg. Leave my shop.
Madam, I beg.
Leave my shop.
Chichi baby. Oh, Chichi baby. Chichi baby. Anye chi baby buamo. Anye. Chichi baby.
All the things
Oh,
wey dey
Chichi
here
baby.
the man don spoil and finish.
Chichi
Hey!
baby.
If I see your leg
Anye
here,
chi baby
if I see your leg here,
Anye.
you go see. Person go dey for shop, you no go rest.
Boatman! 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 What is your problem?
See this Yege wedding boyfriend they serve for this center.
Sure?
If you see where the madam they maltreat the guy for this center,
Are you serious?
Says the girl just carry herself like say nobody be like her for this town.
Why should they do as if her boyfriend they work for anything?
Just imagine that.
What is boatman, sir?
Maybe like say the boatman know they say make we dey go jare.
Baby, oh baby, I dey call you the shakara. Wetin I wan tell you is say, if you reach for that tea center, tell Vivi your boyfriend make prepare tutu for me. Say I no come chop. Nah. If you no do am, I go tell Madam go sack am.
Where they come from?
I don't see one.
Yeah, I know now.
Don't worry. How far is your face like this? What is that?
See me so wahala. I see Vivi for market. Where in they buy food stuff. As he finish, I say make I come his house, come help and cook the soup. Baby, do you know since 5 hours I dey for Vivi house? I know see him, I know see the food stuff. I don't know where you carry that food stuff go.
You sure say your friend never get another girlfriend?
Hey! Busy Nana, you be like saying they cheat on me. Hi!
Are you self they cheat on now?
I beg you don't go there. No, you baby doing that.
Is it true?
But as you see me now, fine baby like me.
What
say I don't go cheat that old man.
Anyway, that one after all, you just the manager and I want old fool.
Thank you. But if I see him, he go explain to me, tell me where he carry that food stuff go.
We'll do it, don't worry. Where they go?
Where they go?
No worry.
Come, we get this. Come, we get this one. I won't make. Come now. See that guy.
God, what is it? Everybody, Vincent, Tea Center. What is happening? And even when I ask him, he will deny it. Oh, God. When I know that Vincent is not my real boyfriend. God, only God knows that he's just a mogul to my side. Oh, I'm tired of all this. I can't even walk out in a road again. This must stop.
Sorry, I beg.
Don't go say this to no touch me. You said this to touch me. I for do what you know can understand yourself this life.
I don't mean to.
You don't mean anything. Shut up. All this your mouth, old men they kiss. Now you want to this to import.
Nonsense. Skits concern old men.
See, I dey mercy for you because the kind of kai but the kai conduct don't carry put inside you. Now you want for me to come pour me. That guy say that no touch me.
Now because you razzle me, I no grab you.
You razzle me.
You razzle me, I no want. Now you the last person to enter here.
Me go enter here. Fear. Me go enter there. Nonsense. I'm not gonna fit do it.
You not go enter am.
Nonsense. Tell your thing come out. See you. They change the case itself. Nonsense. This is not the original case. Now,
Chichi baby, oh Chichi baby, Chichi baby, anye Chi baby buamo, anye love buamo, anye love buamo, anye love buono, anye love me wa, anye. So can game was me fame game. Biko kiwe from Nanya, Chichi baby, Guamo, come baby no. Love a buomo, aye, love a buomo, aye, love a buono, aye, love a baby. Ah, brother.
Oh, you don't play for our backyard. How many times I go warn you? Make una not play for our backyard. Eh? You know you for nearly give me heart attack. You say sorry. Sorry for yourself. Cletus didn't give you our key.
No, and drop am for that place. Oh, now they drop key. 4 days ago, we never see Cletus for this house. No, we know they see him again.
Chichi baby, anye, chi baby, buamo, anye, love buamo, anye, love buamo, anye.
What do you see there? Come on, move. Thunder will fire you, the idiot. Small boys, they don't get respect. Huh? So now we think Cletus the plan. Now we think Cletus the plan. No problem. We think Cletus the plan. Make I come there here. Upon saying that Cletus carry me enter that motor, I want him in no grip. Say make I hear. No, that healers. No be me go enter that healers. Cletus, you must come and carry your cross. One keep house, man. You must come and carry your house.
Come and take me inside first. Beg. Wait. I'm not going to go inside. You see, Cletus' mama, woman from village, come yesterday evening. And I don't be Cletus' girlfriend. I be your girlfriend. Don't take me inside. I be, if you don't forget.
The woman na born again criminal. I mean Christian. The woman no dey carry eye see women. If that woman see you now, it will begin fire in tongue. You will begin to speak in tongue.
Then you just behave like person we won't run.
Me won't run for my own house. Barnabas, me run. I don't be run.
Now wow. Bana. Condition, I don't go carry anything. Go now.
Chichi baby, anye, chi baby,
oh, but now they come.
Love
No, what don't know. I beg make you amend this brother. I want to can go walk. No. They gave me a place where you go patch him. See where they go patch him.
Okay.
That place, the other place. This one. That one now one. The other one. But then plenty.
Bros, your money na 200.
Hey. 200. No problem, I go pay.
You go wait now.
As long as you go do, I'm fine, eh?
You get more patient, make I finish this one.
Okay. No. You did beautiful though. Yes.
Thank you.
You don't marry?
No, I never married.
Hey. Okay, if you finish work today, where are you going?
I will go to my house.
Your house. I go find at your house. Come after my own work. So we get small thing we will discuss.
Okay.
Yeah. Rosie, how you doing? This one your face, nyawa kaika would acid. What happened?
Vin, are they pregnant?
Oh, cool of it, a buo majo. You get belly. Who give you belly?
You dey ask me? No be you pregnant me.
Why your voice make my neighbors no hear them now? Take them easy. Roso, as big as you did. You know if you come more time before a catch. If you're a younger way, they never break in virgin. Come to tell me this kind of thing. I will listen to them. Where's my colleague? Eh? You know calcium say you don't get pregnant. I beg, come on, man, serious. Come on, they go. You know they're serious. They go. If you don't come up from my house, I go live here for you. Eh? Who could have heard the phone of my house? You follow me? Eh? Oh, you better say you want the second pregnancy. Eh? Okay, as you want them so. Now so I go want them. In him can call one. I know you have that.
You dey talk say you fit take care of me. Eh? Do you know the kind of cream why they run for this my body, where they shine my body like this? Eh? Okay, you fit buy me special brand and pants. Eh? What of Mary Kay? You fit buy them.
Hey! Yeah, you think what is the demand from you and to give me your heart? Once you give me your heart, I promise you say, even that Mary Kay, Rosalind Kay, Catherine Kay, Rena Kay, any kind of Kay, I feel buy them even double. Madam,
leave my shop.
Where where make I go?
I don't. You don't have to wear them. You don't get relation.
Madam, I beg.
You don't get mama, no papa.
Leave this work.
I beg. Leave my shop. Oh yeah.
Madam, I beg.
Go leave my shop. Zero.
Woman, wine. Women, no money, no wine.
Your Vincent. I saw yesterday when he carried back the room. I couldn't ask what happened. They say in landlady give out notice. No be only that one no. The madam when they serve for city center still second. No be small no work, no house, no nothing. You said I know they laugh here again.
Anyway, Sha, nothing bad. I thank God for Amo. At least all those people where they say that me and Vincent are in love, are doing this, they go carry their eyes, see
Vincent. So you happy? Be nice.
I
go meet my pastor. Huh? Make him pray for me, fire prayer.
No, me, I go go meet my spiritual father. I go use my face to get everything.